we're trying this Triumph Scrambler 400 XC. Bagong bago. Release 2026 this January. Pa-test ride si Triumph Green Hills. So, yeah, let's try this. And sige, let's go.
Kahit say sir, enjoy.
Thank you. Ganda ng dilaw. Ganda ng color.
Wala ka nang dadagdag na sir, exhaust na lang.
Yeah, totoo. Mga stock.
Tapos, adjustable na yung levers.
Oh my goodness! Tapos meron na rin ganito, no?
Ice cream.
Kumbaga, bibilin mo na lang.
Bibili mo na lang.
400.
Ganda. Okay. Try ko na.
Ito, yan at saka
Ayan.
yan. Medyo na
Sasara. Okay, good. Thank you. Ganda! Ang ganda niya, guys. As in, so basically, this new Triumph Scrambler is more off-road focus. So yeah, ang ganda. So, ayun, no, this is the new Triumph XC. Ganda. Ayun. So ang binago dito yung mga plates. Yung plates dito, aluminum na ba? Something? Aluminum na ata to. Itong engine guard, higher fender dito sa harap. Tapos cover, parang windscreen dito. It's the same old Triumph Scrambler 400X, but parang modded lang kasi yung iba na-upgrade nila to eh. Kasi 400X naka mags pa. Ito naka spokes na actually. Spokes the same size. XC. Yeah, we're out to test this dito sa Triumph Green Hills. Nagpa-test ride sila out of nowhere. And actually, ito, adjustable levers. Very nice, lalo na pag off-road kasi I watched a video from Neomoto na nag-test ride sila sa Antipolo. So ride natin. Nag-test ride sila sa Antipolo. Ang nangyari, ayun, nag-off-road sila. Typical dirt trails, stuff like that. Nabanggit nung isang instructor doon, I don't know, pero he seems familiar and he seems famous eh. Nabanggit niya doon na, teka, ang hirap hanapin ng neutral. Ayun. That's so embarrassing. Anyway, whenever na tumatayo ka sa motor, yung kamay mo nag-a-adjust eh, di ba? So minsan yung mga new riders or some riders, sanay sila ng apat dito sa clutch. Pero kapag tumayo ka doon, ang meron na lang yung thumb mo para mag-grip. And that's not good. So tama naman yun. Lalo na kapag nag-hit ka ng bump or ng any obstacle sa daan, mabibitawan mo to. So ginawa siyang adjustable rin. And maganda, i-adjust mo siya sa preference mo para ma-customize mo siya. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao malaki kamay, maliit kamay. So 'di ba? Para meron siyang nakikater niya yung needs mo. I think that's nice na inad nila dun sa 400X. And mas capable siya ngayon. Not super hard sa off-roads, but nag-add sila ngayon ng spoke wheels, tulad nga na napakita ko kanina. And I think ito yung mas lamang ni XC kaysa kay X, kasi si X ay naka mags. And Okay, kanan lang tayo dito. Oh my goodness. Ayun, yun yung lamang niya. Mas versatile, mas flexible siya in terms sa dirt roads. Kasi kay X actually parang it's like a scrambler for street eh, di ba? Pero this one, look at this color though. So yun, another thing, siyempre yung colors. They change yung colors na rin for the XC. So we have this yellow. They also have the white and the gray. Not sure if gray, but it looks black for me. Pero magre-release sila nung gray na ganun. So I guess I'll flash it na lang dito sa video. But yeah, this is my experience, and actually it's the same. But since it's a newer unit, it feels new. It feels nice. It feels refined. I like it. And then ano ba? Try na yung jerkiness. Nasa second gear ako, tas nasa low speed ako eh. Okay. Yung feel na ang ganda pala nung ano kanina, yung mga lubak. Pero it's nice ah. Try natin tumayo. Okay. Okay rin. Applicable naman siya, magaan. Though yung height niya is 823-ish ata, nabanggit kanina. It's not for everybody. So I'm 5'11". Sa height ko, it's not a problem. But hindi ako flat foot talaga. Though it looks like flat foot, pero nakataas pa rin yung paa ko. Seat height comparison for everybody. Everybody's reference. Anyway, yeah, adjustable levers, spoke wheels, yung mga yung plate under the engine, base plate ba yun? Basta something like para kung magtitigay ng trail. I think an upgrade nila yun kasi si 400X, Scrambler 400X ay may plastic na base plate. So this is a lot better kasi I'm not sure kung anong aluminum ba? Aluminum? Not sure about the material, but it's a lot stronger. It's a lot stronger than the plastic one. So yeah. Pabalik na rin tayo. It performs like the 400X. So yeah, yun lang naman basically if merong kang 400X. And if wala pa tong si XC, I think yung mga tao, yung mga addition nila dito, yun rin yung i-upgrade nila eh sa 400X nila eh. So yeah, I think yun yung magandang ano dun. Pero ito, pabalik na tayo. Power test. Okay. Anyway, yeah, malapit na tayo. Sa stoplight tayo, so matetest natin rin yung init siguro. Yan. It's nice na meron tayong stoplight kasi kanina wala eh. So yan, hindi ako super flat foot. And yeah, I like these pads rin. I'm not sure if meron nito sa 400. Sorry, hindi ako nagbi-big bike, so I just test ride. But I like this. It's grippy. I like this. Ang saya. Ang sarap sa feeling na may grip talaga. Anyway, if I were to have the 400X and wala pa si XC, kung mag-upgrade ako tulad nito, plate, adjustable, yung crash, engine guard, tsaka base plate, yeah, I think I would upgrade those things. Pero I think itong ni-release ni Triumph XC is probably siguro a safer choice kasi mas makakatipid ka. So anyway, nandito na tayo. Oh, yeah. If ever na may makakita ng video na to, if ever na may inquiry sila for Triumph sa Green Hills, so who can we message ba?
Sure.
Sure, you can message us on Facebook and Instagram. Or if you want to to participate to our demo days, meron kaming mga posting through all out ng social media.
Oh, yeah.
And then, meron tayong mga kasama na sales.
Yes.
Papakilala natin sila isa-isa, no? This one, si Sir Chris O. This is the one of the sales representative natin.
Sales rep,
Yeah.
alright.
And then this one is si Sir Seth.
Sir Seth.
One of the colleagues din natin for the sales. Yan.
Okay.
If anything, sila Sir Adrian. Yan. Si Sir Chris Cataroha or the sales supervisor and manager po natin dito sa Triumph Green Hills. No?
Yes.
So if any questions you have, you can message them. No?
Yes.
You can
Tama.
message them.
Right. Halatang sanay sa camera yung mga tao dito no? But anyway, sir, thank you so much sa test ride. Thank you. Thank you. Sir Ezekiel, nice to meet you again. So hoping next time ulit.
Yeah.
So, tapos na tayo actually sa test ride. I met with some sales rep. Ka-conversation lang with them. It's very fun, very accommodating, very formative rin in a way. They share yung mga bagay-bagay na nasa-share nila dito sa Triumph. So, looking forward. Maybe I get my first Triumph, diba, sa future. But yeah, it's nice to know na meron silang lifestyle culture dito na everyone is welcome. Lalo na kung Triumph owner ka. It's very nice experience, very fun. If you're hoping to test some of their bikes rin, of Triumph bikes, lalo na kung malapit kayo sa Green Hills, go check them out. Or you can message me and I can message them. So yeah, I guess that's about it for this short ride. I guess sinama ko na rin dito yung Triumph test ride ko last time. Though hindi ko sasama kasi iba yung settings. But yeah, thank you for watching.